They're sucking the bottle.
I can't do it.
Come on, y'all can do it. This is advanced. This is advanced.
This is nasty is what it is.
At the king, you don't have to put your whole mouth on it.
Uncle Rudy's like, this ain't shit.
Oh.
Look at this. Uh-oh. I think Uncle Rudy's getting, I don't know. It's kind of close. Kind of close.
This is nasty.
This shit gross.
This is hella nasty.
Is there alcohol in there?
Yes. And the red ones.
Just imagine it smells like Clorox.
Oh my God, you are not nothing. That's so
I can't eat that.
No.
Here.
Anthony, you're a pro,
I got
huh?
to, all that's
Oh, Albert!
Oh, that's it. Yep. Yeah, shut your shit up. It's done.
My eyes are
How
watering
come you
now.
don't do that shit in the bed, nigga?
All right.
I sucked as hard as I could and it still wouldn't. Nasty.
Prince Albert. Give him
I'll
a
take
Prince Albert.
Okay.
Oh, you guys are weak, man. Because you guys are old. You got that lockjaw. That lockjaw.
All right.